Hey guys, Prothmir again. Today we're going to be doing something a bit different from what I normally do in my videos. Normally I'd be talking about something sciencey or like something related to the solar system or the universe. But today we're going to be talking about my PC. Just thought I'd talk about it. So, some history of it is I got it a few years ago, I'd say 4 or 5 years ago, so it's pretty old. It's not a gaming PC, but, I still play games on it. It gets the job done. I play games on it. I watch stuff. I write code. I write emails and stuff on it. So it's a good one. But I also started to realize that it got really slow. It would take about 5 minutes to open the PC and another 5 minutes to open an app, and for me to be actually able to do something in the app. And for other apps, it would actually take 30 minutes to open the app, and in the end it would just crash. So it was very annoying, and I stopped using it for a bit, and then I just wanted to start using it again. So I just sat down for an hour and started to look through some videos, and just kind of I just looked for stuff that was free that I could do on my PC, so I didn't have to buy anything. And so my PC instantly became faster. I used cleaning softwares, and I went to my settings and turned off or on whatever I did and didn't need. And so some apps would take only the apps that would take 30 minutes for me to open would only take about 10 minutes for me to open now. But it still wasn't amazing, or at least compared to my old PC. It's kind of new. It's the same one, just, different. And then my dad actually got me some extra RAM. So my PC had 4 gigabytes of RAM, and that just isn't a lot of storage. So my dad went out and he got me 8 gigabytes of RAM. So now I have 12 gigabytes of RAM, and my PC is super lightning fast. Like apps, again, that would take 30 minutes for me to open before would take 3 minutes to open now. So, it was way, way better. And today I'm gonna be showing the inside of my PC, and just because I know how, I'm also gonna show you how to install more RAM. So guys, yeah, this is my RAM. So like I said, this is the extra 8 gigabytes of RAM that my dad got. So just thought I'd show you that. And so yeah, this is the inside of my PC. It's not like the biggest PC. That is the motherboard, the green flat looking thing. It's if not one of the most important parts of the PC. That is the fan. It's what keeps the CPU cool. The CPU is under that. I can't really show you that, guys, because that just don't take it apart. This is the power supply. It's like when it's what keeps a PC running. It's the power. And here's the hard drive, and under that, I don't know if you guys can see it, is where we're gonna be installing the RAM. I've removed it just so that I can show you how to install it. So yeah. So, we've removed the hard drive, and we're about to install the RAM. So, there's these 2 clips. There's this one, right here, and there's another one over here, where you're going to be installing the RAM. And so, you just get it, like so. You want to have those teeth kind of edge face down, and just insert it, and then the clips will close automatically once you've inserted it. And yeah, just make sure that it's in there. Don't press too hard. Don't break it. And when you turn on your PC, it should say that it has more RAM. Yeah.
We will see.
Just another thing, my PC, it only has 2 places for RAM. That first one was where the 4 gigs of RAM already were. But some other PCs might have more. Mine only has 2. And so, yeah, this is the outside of my PC. It's from Dell. It's an Inspiron 3268, I believe. It's not, I mean, it's a bit bigger than my hand. And yeah, we're gonna go into the inside of the PC now. And so, it didn't happen for me, but if you do install more RAM, it will say new RAM detected, and when it does say that, you just want to accept it. And so, like I said, I had the newer RAM installed, and it now has 12 gigs of RAM. And, yeah, that's it. So, I hope you enjoyed the video today. I know it wasn't my normal video, it was a bit different, but I hope you learned something new, and, I'll see you next time.